Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, June the 21st, 2023. Um, we have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. Sudoku with 0 stars, Sudoku with 1 star. Then we have a Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Sudoku with 1 star. Yeah, this will be number 6640. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one I've already counted. 27 printed digits. 27, that means it's a 1 star puzzle, and for 1 star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We will see if this is really a 1 star puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about yeah, we have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so the first column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. The 1 in the first column, the 1 in the second column, so the third column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We see 1 in the first row, no 1 there. Here 1 in the third row, no 1 there, so the only place left for the 1 should be there. Alright, 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in that row, so in the row between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the second column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 3. I need to wait. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Alright. Then. How about the 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only place left for the 1 should be there. 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. We have a pair here, I believe, here. The 1 and the 4 in this row, the 1 and the 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. So 3 missing numbers now in this row, the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in the first column. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 8. Alright. Now. Let me see. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so no row between. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 9, 4, 2. Need a 2. Need a 2. Need a 2. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Need a 5 here. How about 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 5, 7, 9. 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9, 5, 7, 9. And look, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. Here 7 in the second row. No 7 in, no 7 in this box, so here gonna be a 7, there gonna be a 7, so only 1 box left in the first column for the 7. Should be there, so the 5 and the 9 are left. 5 and the 9. So we need a 2 here. Okay, and now. Need a 7 here. Let me see. Need a 3 here. Yeah, I'm thinking. 7. Yeah, I'm thinking. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, 5 and the 9. That means 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. Okay, the 2. Need a 2 here. So we have 3 in this column. We already have a 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 5, 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9, 5, 8, 9. And look, we have 5 and a 9 in the last column. So no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5, 9, 5 and a 9. So 1 is left in this big square for number 8. 8. 8. 8. Well, we need an 8 here. 8 need also here. Come on. Where's the opening? 1. Need a 7. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 in these 3 boxes. Here 7 in this column. No 7 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. So the row below only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there we see a 7 in the second column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first row. 7 in the second row. So the third row only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there we see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. And no, the 7s are used. I can't see. This is the one number 7. Right. Now. How about? So 6. Come on. 9. Need a 4 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 4 in this row. So no 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Yeah. 8 and 5. Yeah, I'm thinking. Come on. Need an 8 there. Okay. I need a 2 and a 4. 2, 4, and the... Oh, no, we have 2, 4, and 9. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in the second column. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle row for number 2. 2 and 6, we have a 2 now in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. And then. Need a 4 here. 2 and 4. Need a 4. 2, 4, and a 9. Okay. 5, 9, and 8. No, 9 and 8. 9, 8, and 5. 8, 8, 8. Come on. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 5, 5. And 8. Come on. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1, 6, 7. So the 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column be 3. Only 2 places left, and 3 should be here or there. We see 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Okay. How about need a 2 here. 2, 2, need an 8 here. 8. Oh. Yeah. 5, 5. Well, come on. Oh, come on. 30 minutes. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. Oh, we have a pair here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places left for the 6. Goes in those two boxes as a pair with the 8. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the third row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 8, about the 6. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here. Or there we see a 6 in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column. Oh, we already have a 6 here. I believe all the 6s are used, and all the 6s are used. I can see the 0, 3, number 6. 2 missing numbers. The 2 and the... Wait, no, not 2 and the 4. We have here 2 missing numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 9 and the 5, I believe here. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 and 5, 9 and the 5. That means here the 2 and the 4 are missing here. In the second row, 2 and the 4, we have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 2 should be there, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next to the last column. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the amount. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 9 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then we have a 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this column. Middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Yeah. 9 and a 5, we have a 9 now in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. 9 and 5, we have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8, we have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there, finishing 16 minutes. Well. Took me a little bit more time for the 1 star. But we solved it again, and I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle. Sudoku with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.